everyone, I'm Abhinav Brijay. Today I'm here with some easy science experiments. For the first experiment, we need a Ziploc cover, a marker pen, a glass of water and a drawing. Now open the Ziploc cover and keep the drawing inside. Now take the marker pen and draw over the drawing. Now dip the cover inside it. Next experiment is floating lamp. For that we need lamp oil, a glass of water, lamp thread and a sheet of plastic. Now slowly pour the lamp oil into the water. Make the sheet into a circle. Now make a hole in the sheet and keep the thread through it. See, the floating lamp is ready. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, share and like. Bye bye.